Uh-uh. Are you playing? What kind of playing is that? Will you come on?
You fine. Look at us.
No, they snap. Snap like two people own. Now snap.
Walking like Queen Elizabeth. Sister, this thing is tight. Me, I cannot move. No, don't worry. The gown will loosen up when you get down the stairs. Stairs care me. Waka where I no fit waka na stairs I wan climb. Sure. Now so I take get tribal mark for my belly. Ambulance almost show. Ladies and gentlemen, it's almost 11 p.m. A night to my wedding after all my shouting and jagoban with the likes of Mariamo and confidence. Laziness wouldn't let me walk. I remembered I needed to make a short video for you all to see that I made my hair myself. Debbie came true. Shout out to my girl for helping me make this little content for you all. Trust you enjoy it. My friends Stella, Debbie, Peculiar and Bella surrounded me to make sure I don't sleep while making this hair.
She say she didn't cry herself. I go those where they go give her dirty slap. Yeah. So you never do. How many years you never do?
Jehovah man, my sister.
Everybody for this house all planned for you. Tomorrow go to say you don't go dance. You
Rose go dance. I know my childhood friend. She's
my darling, man. They don't mind this.
That year they do choreography.
You still sabi dance, You still sabi dance, huh?
Oh, it is a scenario they dance.
You know how they talk.
I dance fast.
I know they dispute the fact. I make a more all of them sabi dance when I go front. People who don't sabi dance more there for last people. The expectations no dey high. Debbie, can you dance?
I know this one.
Okay.
You wait all the
You know to sabi, have you sabi?
I know sabi.
You know sabi?
Like,
Okay, that will be after me.
I know to sabi. At least I go just the shake body small.
You blessing and Chidima will keep them for the same place. When they do the little things one I feel do. At this point, it was getting really hot. Like I never finished style. The hair don't finish. So much playing is bad. It's not good for me.
You know what? Talk to don't is so good BS.
I had to loosen everything at the back and start afresh again so I can cover the bun at the back.
She's Oyibo pepper, Shakara pepper. My precious now be less. How we go take me this year? Finish.
Just try wake her up first. Make she dey awake, make she dey alert.
No be say you just wake her direct, come go the bathroom. She fit change her for that person. People of God, by the time I was done with this styling, that was the end of sleep for me till morning. I no sleep. Shey na juju be that. And it's 4 a.m. in the morning and I'm already doing my thing before the makeup artist comes. And by the time I was done with all the processes, you shall understand what I mean. Just put your own process with installing. I can't come and be disgracing myself like this. Debbie. Debbie. Oh, if not you, Jehovah, I was thinking his goodness that within this thing. See the mumu for bed. Allah goodness no well. Mona pray for her this morning. I need a joke. The way I wake up for midnight, they vomit. The brother, glue don't finish. Go. I was saying something that I forgot to put on an elastic band on my wig before styling it. That is how I would have danced my destiny out of my head during the reception. Serious! My friend Debbie had to loosen her elastic band from her wig and give to me. And Misha was waiting for my cocoa friend Mariam to come to the hotel and give me needle and thread. Just hear her response when she came.
Now, for say I don't get pin and this thing, what do you for do with your life? For very good.
See, God no be man. Look, I tell you something. While waiting for Mariam to come, I had to install my chief best hair, Bella. Make she for no kill me so I no get time do her hair. So the makeup artist came and she did a nice job. Make una for see how my chief best fine pass me. Shey na my sister be this, na me do this hair. She can't define pass me. Now my mama born this one, na my sister Bella, guys. And Mariamu was doing her makeup as well. Bella made a bet with me that I will give her 3K if I cry on my wedding day. But if I don't, she will give me 3K. Oh yeah, now I'm gonna guess who win.
She won't cry. You go make the makeup fine.
Let me see your face.
Thanks for watching up until now, guys. I do appreciate. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching. And to those that see me for the first time, my name is Rose and you're welcome to my channel. Please do stick around with me by subscribing to my channel, and I'll be giving you back-to-back content. Comment, like and share. Bye.